Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C50 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all we have to do is to open the recents, and it depends what kind of navigation type you've got set, because you can do it differently. If you've got the buttons, you have to tap on the button with a square icon, and if you've got the gestures, then all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see, right now we've got the previously opened apps, and if you want, you can close for example only one of it. Just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all of them, just tap on this X button. As you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your POCO C50. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.